Hi, I'm Joe, and this is Brenna.
Hey.
And welcome to Stonebridge. Stonebridge is one of William Ryan Homes' newest luxury home communities, located in upscale Hawthorn Woods, about 40 miles from downtown Chicago.
At Stonebridge, William Ryan Homes offers 8 different floor plans. Each floor plan has an array of exterior color schemes, home styles, and structural options, so you and your family can personalize your dream home. Today we're going to be looking at the Jericho. This Jericho model is 4,500 square feet. It's a mix of traditional and modern. So we have our separate dining room, separate living room, but then we go to an open space floor plan with the family room, morning room, and kitchen. This model has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and downstairs we have a fully finished basement with an additional full bath.
The home building industry has evolved a lot, and for the last 28 years, William Ryan Homes has been at that forefront. Everything we do with purpose. What you initially notice when you look at this kitchen might be the beautiful stainless steel GE profile appliances, or maybe the maple cabinets. What you might not notice is the thought and engineering that goes into the layout of it, and that comes from decades of experience and customer feedback. Brenna, why don't you tell them a little bit about that?
Families spend most of their time in the kitchen, and that's why it's important that it's a very comfortable, livable space. You'll notice we have a super island here with 3 chairs, and there's about 3 feet of space behind the super island seating area. That way people can sit comfortably and then also pass by easily. We have working spaces. Each working space is no less than 18 inches wide. Why? Because it's a true working space. Something too narrow, you're not going to use it. There's a lot of engineer science that goes into this, but my main point that I want to emphasize is that each work zone has working space on either side, making it truly workable.
From the decades of feedback from our customers, we've added unique structural options so customers could personalize the home for them and their family. Some of them are our in-law suite located on the first floor with a full bathroom. And another one of our most popular options is our signature morning room, which adds usable space to the kitchen eating area and brings in natural sunlight.
We're upstairs now, and here we have our optional loft, 3 secondary bedrooms, a Jack and Jill bathroom, an additional full bathroom off the hall, and we have our upstairs centrally located laundry room, very popular in all of our floor plans. But what I want to talk about now is our master suite. Just like our kitchen, our master suite also has thoughtful design through customer feedback and engineering and science. You'll notice the window positions. They're located on either side of the main wall, so you can perfectly fit a king-size bed. But my favorite part of the master suite are his and hers closets, as well as his and hers vanities. Here we have our designer master bath. It features a freestanding tub, as well as a fully tiled standing shower and tiled seat.
Now let's take a look at my favorite room in the house, the finished basement. This finished basement features a full bath and a finished rec room area, which is perfect for entertaining or lounging around in comfort. There's a lot of public concern right now with the health and safety of people's houses. And William Ryan Homes, since its inception, has made health, safety, and green energy efficiency their #1 priority. You'll see here, we feature a high-efficient Lennox furnace, and it also features an Optia media filter and UV light adapter that kills 90% of bacteria, mold, cold, flu, and viruses. Stonebridge is all about luxury and privacy. It's nestled in 59 acres of private natural settings. It features a private winding road, hiking trails, water views, and a community playground. Stonebridge offers all the luxuries of upscale suburban living, including award-winning schools and close proximity to all the best restaurants and shopping.
Joe and I and everyone at William Ryan Homes want to thank you for coming to visit Stonebridge with us today.
And we'll see you at our next great community soon.